Hello one and all. Since long I have not uploaded any video on any topic. I think 3 months ago I uploaded 4 videos on integral calculus. So this is again I am restarting to upload the videos. Now regularly the videos will be uploaded starting from the remaining part of integral calculus. So this is the question first number, very important question. Very important. Dx by a sin x plus b cos x. This is the format. Whenever a sin x plus b cos x will come, a sin x plus b cos x will come in denominator. Numerator is as usual dx, not other thing. Now divide, multiply by a square plus b square as per need. आप अपने आवश्यकता के अनुसार मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड कीजिएगा. तो यहाँ पर 1 हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 1. So write 1 and divide by a square plus b square. So this is 1 by a square plus b square dx, and this is a by root over a square plus b square, and again root over a square plus b square. So after writing this, the constant should be taken outside. The constant, this is the constant. So take it outside. 1 by root over a square plus b square. Now the remaining is, what will be the value of this? A by root over a square plus b square. Make a triangle and write it alpha. Your sin x is already here. Sin x, write sin x. After that, the value of this, a by this. If you write a in the base and b in the perpendicular, this will be a square plus b square. Now what is the advantage of writing a in the bottom? A by this cos alpha. So this becomes cos alpha plus. Now cos x. Again this perpendicular by hypotenuse is sin alpha. And numerator is simply dx. So this is in sin format. This is 1 by root over a square plus b square. Integration of dx by sin x plus alpha. Sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. When sin alpha is taken to numerator, it becomes 1 by root over a square plus b square. Integration of this becomes cosec. Cosec x plus alpha dx. And we note that integration of cosec x dx is equal to log of cosec x minus cot x plus constant. Now on the basis of this formula, write the answer. This is 1 by root over a square plus b square, and then log cosec x plus alpha. In place of x, we have got x plus alpha minus cot x plus alpha plus c, constant of integration. This is your answer, where alpha is calculated from this triangle. You will write here where alpha we can have from above triangle. Alpha ka value, if you are interested in getting the value of alpha, then just see the triangle. Now moving towards another problem of the same kind. This is very useful pattern. Whenever a sin x plus b cos x will appear in denominator, never forget to divide it by a square plus b square and move successfully. Now this is very popular problem. Just see. Integration of sin x plus cos x. It looks very small in size, but sometimes very small in size problem is difficult, not very easy. So apply this rule. This is 1 dx by 1 sin x plus 1 cos x. So divide by root over 1 square plus 1 square. This is root 2. Root 2 से सबको divide कर दीजिए. So this is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x. Now 1 by root 2 is well known to you. You can create the triangle, but remember that both are 1 1. Perpendicular and base both are 1 1. In this case both angles are equal. Two sides are equal, two angles are equal, and we note that this is 45 each. 45 degree. Now 1 by root 2 is taken outside, and this is dx by, write dx. Now sin x. After that the value of 1 by root 2 is cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree plus cos x into this again 1 by root 2 is sin 45 degree. Again we are having the same pattern. This is 1 by root 2 1 by sin 45 degree plus x dx. Now when sin goes to numerator, this is 1 by root 2 cosec x plus 45 or 45 plus x, both are same, whatever you write. And just remember the formula of integration of cosec x dx. Cosec x dx is equal to log cosec x minus cot x plus c. You know this formula, so use the formula. This is 1 by root 2 log cosec x plus 45 minus cot x plus 45 plus constant alpha. No need to write what is the alpha. Alpha is already clear from the above triangle. Now one more last problem of this pattern. After that we move to another. Extra care to be taken in this problem. You are supposed to take extra care. The pattern is same. 2 sin x plus 3 cos x, but whole square is written. Due to whole square, what to be done? So first of all, the rule is divide by a square plus b square, 2 square plus 3 square. This is 13, रूट 13 से डिवाइड कीजिए. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग देखते हैं कि dx 1 बाई रूट 13, लेकिन यहाँ पे स्क्वायर है इसलिए 2 बार रूट 13 हो जाएगा. ड्यू टू दिस स्क्वायर 2 by root 13 sin x plus 3 by root 13 cos x. Actually 2 is already given, 3 is already given, and 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 in a square format. This is 13. 1 by 13 in a square format. This is 1 by 13. 2 बार 1 by root 13. So due to a square, write 1 by root 13, 1 by root 13 twice. Then write dx. Now this is good. Due to a square. Due to a square, 1 by root 13 has been written twice. Never forget it. After that, the same pattern will be followed. Make a triangle. Write alpha here. This is 1 by 13 outside. And dx. Now sin x 2 by root 13, so better to take it 2, so that 2 by root 13 is cos alpha plus cos x plus 3 by root 13. 3 by root 13 is sin alpha, cos x into sin alpha whole square. Now this is 1 by 13 dx by sin x plus alpha whole square. Sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. So this is 1 by 13 integration of dx by sin square x plus alpha. So this is 1 by 13 integration of dx by, when sin goes to upside, it becomes cosec. cosec square x plus alpha dx. Cosec square x plus alpha dx. Cosec square x plus, but the integration of cosec square x dx, this is minus cot x. If you remember this formula, then you can write the answer. This is 1 by 13, not root 13, because 1 by root 13, 1 by root 13 makes 1 by 13. So now this is cosec square x plus alpha is minus cot x plus alpha plus one more constant where alpha is obtained from the given triangle. So this is your final answer. Write negative 1 by 13 cot x plus alpha plus c, where alpha is obtained from the given triangle. Alpha we get from triangle. Triangle available above, no harm. Now the problem of this pattern is very popular, and the rule, this rule is also helpful at various places. From the next video, I will start integration by parts. But before ending the general integration, this is the part of general integration. Before ending the general integration, I will like to discuss one more very important question: sin x by root over 1 plus sin x. Very important problem, and there is a relation of this problem with this pattern. See how. So you can write sin x plus 1 minus 1 by root 1 plus sin x. एक ऐड कर दीजिए और एक सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए. Now this is 1 plus sin x by root 1 plus sin x minus 1 by root 1 plus sin x. Break it in two parts, and you know that both are same, so this is cancelled. 1 plus sin x can be written as 1 plus sin x plus 1 more 1 plus sin x. Product, because 2 is written as root 2 into root 2. So 1 plus sin x can be written like this, and 1 plus sin x minus 1 by root over 1 plus sin x dx. Now 1 is cancelled, and you must know the trigonometric formula for 1 plus sin 2x. This is cos x minus sin x plus sin x whole square. This is very important formula of trigonometry. So 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x. So this is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square, half angle formula of trigonometry. Now we are left with this root over cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square minus dx. You can break it in two parts. The integral is being broken in two parts, no harm. And again, the formula for 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Now see what we are left. We are left with cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 dx minus 1 by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 dx. Now see the second part. The first part is very easy. Integration of cos x. Integration of cos x dx. This is sin x. So it will be sin x by 2 sin x by 2. But students, never forget that everywhere divide by coefficient of x. In all the integral formula, if there is a coefficient of x, divide by coefficient of x. So the coefficient of x is 1 by 2. So divide by 1 by 2. Write 1 by 2 this way. After that, plus again integration of sin x by 2. Integration of sin x by 2. We know that integration of sin x is minus cos x. C is naturally everywhere. So this is minus sin x by 2 and divide by coefficient of x. Again coefficient of x is 1 by 2. Now for this we use 1 and 1. So divide by root over 1 square plus 1 square. This is root 2. So divide by root 2 here. 1 by root 2 dx by 1 by root 2 cos x plus 1 by root 2 sin x. Now you are close to your answer. So this 2 will go upside. So this is 2 sin x by 2 minus 2 cos x का sin x का cos x minus cos x by 2 minus 2 cos x by 2 minus 1 by root 2 outside and dx by, now 1 by root 2 is sin 45 degree, sin 45 degree into cos x plus cos 45 degree into sin x, cos 45 degree into sin x. Now we are close to the answer. This is 2 sin x by 2 minus 2 cos x by 2 minus 1 by root 2 dx by sin 45 plus x. Again this will be as usual 1 by root 2 cosec 45 degree plus x dx. Now cosec, as earlier you are doing, the integration of cosec dx. The integration of cosec x dx is equal to log cosec x minus cot x plus c. So this is as usual 1 by root 2 log cosec 45 plus x minus cot 45 plus x closed plus c. So this is your answer. Lastly write sin x by 2 minus 2 cos x by 2 minus this. So this is your final answer. Thank you very much students. Wait for the another